not allowed to do it.
Safety first. Questions later. Yeah, he had to
You
go
guys
on.
going to the bar and anything else fun?
Casa Bonita, hit the bar. Why not?
Nice.
Sounds like a good night.
Sounds like a good time.
I agree.
Lucky people.
What do you do for fun, Heidi?
Well, sushi, sake, live streams.
Nice.
I had a coworker invite me to a special club that I don't know that I've got the nerve to go to.
What
But
kind of special club?
Swingers.
Oh.
no, God, no.
That's what people do. That's what hillbillies do, you know.
No.
Not much
No. Where you can get special attention. I'm not sure I'm up for that. I don't have that kind of range. No.
I think the chat really want to see you. Sorry, what's your name?
Me?
Yeah.
They want to see me? Oh my God.
They've been asking for you. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
She's like, you can see my forehead. That's all you're getting. She said, this is where my best work is done. Up in the
You
brain.
can show her tails. Or this is a parking lot in downtown Denver.
Somebody
Oh,
said,
you have to work,
said I thought she was driving you
awesome.
around. They want to know your name. You don't have to tell them though.
I'm okay.
Okay. Oh, and they said you're a beauty.
Aww.
So flattering. So sweet.
Yeah, in Colorado, there's more men than women, so everybody here is like thirsty and shit. You know?
Yeah, I actually heard that. Yeah.
It's like
For
52% men, 48 women.
This kind of thirsty, correct?
A lot, a lot of thirsty men in Colorado.
Wow, it is popping.
Ooh, tarantula.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Choking to death here.
Uh-oh.
Can't do CPR on myself. Mm. And look, I spilled my tea again.
Oh no.
Yeah. Oh, I think
So
they want to know
you're
if you're single.
Gabriella, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and they said the other woman in the back seat's pretty too. Point the
Yeah.
camera to her again. James, you better behave.
Yeah.
Hello.
Be nice.
Oh,
I know you're being nice, but continue.
Quiet baddie. We got some quiet baddies up on the side.
I didn't even see you back there. You are quiet.
Hello.
Quiet baddies back here.
Hey.
Hi, James. Hi, Tim. Nice to see you.
What's up, chat?
I've never been
He's like,
on a chat.
Yeah,
before.
I've never been on a
like,
live
"Beep."
show.
Yeah, yeah.
No.
I don't know if
It's-
I don't know how to do it correctly.
Yeah, it's okay. Your other hand. Your other.
Oh, like this?
Oh,
This way?
yeah. Look. Oh. Right.
Yeah.
Yay.
Thanks,
Contact.
guys.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Let's have a good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Good night.
Bye, guys. Have fun. You need to get more people like them. Is there any way that you can like screen your people? They're a lot of fun.
To your pickup on confidence.
I like them. Yeah.
She's she's fun. Baddie alert.
So Avi Love says the creepy baddies are freaky because you don't know what they're thinking because they don't tell you.
Baddie alert. Gabriella is a baddie. It's a pretty name.
Mm-hmm. Let me see. Let me check.
All right.